Vantage X is an AI-driven trading robot designed for synthetic indices trading on the Deriv broker platform. It leverages machine learning to analyze historical data and adapt strategies while employing sentiment analysis to gauge market sentiment from various sources. Vantage X uses real-time data processing, advanced risk management techniques, and automation to eliminate human error and optimize trading strategies. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, the Vantage X trading robot provides a sophisticated and powerful tool for trading synthetic indices on the Deriv broker platform. Its advanced algorithms and real-time data processing capabilities allow traders to stay ahead of the market and capitalize on opportunities in this highly dynamic trading environment. For more information, visit VantagePointX.com.